Hey guys, just walking up to I have a friend that's working on a remodel project on Brighton Street in the Park Avenue area. I'm excited to see it. Looks like he's doing a lot of great work, and also it's right around the corner from my house. You can actually see it in the background here. So I'm always excited when I see neighbors putting money into their house. And I'd like to follow up with a video, show you through the project, and hopefully it gives you some inspiration.
Here we are at 4 Brighton Street, my most recent renovation. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Currently leased out. The time frame is October 1st move-in. I am gonna paint, so don't mind the cute brown color on the wall.
Oh, you weren't keeping that color?
No, it's not a selling point for me.
So what color do you think you're gonna go with?
This kitchen, probably gonna keep with the gray, maybe even a light slate blue type color.
Yeah.
Keep it neutral, keep it classic. That's kind of been my style, and that's what I think people are looking for. I also think that style carries some longevity with it. We don't know what's under this yet. We haven't gotten that far. There is about a 2-inch lip on the floor that bothers me.
Yeah.
So probably gonna come up and see what I find. This is a mock-up for a corner cabinet.
It's probably there for a reason.
I know, and I'm not excited about that reason, but we're gonna at least take a look.
All you gotta do is spend $2,000 to eliminate that lip. Come on here, because I think this is actually great. It's a small bedroom.
So what you had with this bedroom is you had about 8-foot ceilings. Not terrible, but it's such a small space in here that I wanted to open it up. I wanted it to make it feel better, bigger, better. So I talked to my contractor and said, what do you think about vaulting the ceilings? Normally he tells me I'm crazy and to go jump in a lake, like he does anytime I even come close to mentioning the word skylight. But in this case he said, yeah, we can do that. And then it's a little kind of, trophy piece to the apartment, the piece everybody's gonna remember. We did put a little nook up there, a little storage, just a little accessory.
Yeah.
This is the place where we probably did some of the most work, I would say. When you came into the bathroom initially, you had a large, oversized clawfoot tub for the space. Created a very limited walking path here. The toilet was actually up against the wall, so you had to walk past the shower to get to the toilet.
So how did you relocate the stack for the toilet? Because obviously you moved it over a little bit, right?
Yes, the toilet came from here to here.
Okay.
So we were able to cut the joists and strap them with steel to get the appropriate size drain for the toilet over here.
I think that's about all the time we have right now. For our viewers, how can they learn more about you and find out about what you do?
They can show up to the coffee club at 7:30 on Wednesdays at East Ave Wegmans. We're all there in bright-eyed and bushy-tail, coffee included, courtesy of Mr. Druin.
Yeah.
And come meet everybody that we work with. And if they need me, you can always reach out. My management company is Schreiber Management LLC. Happy to do whatever I can for anybody who can do it for.
All right, there you have it, folks. I'm so glad to see guys like Dave investing in our community. And one of the things that we're seeing is that tenants are asking for a lot higher end finishes, and they're willing to pay a lot more for it, especially with younger generations. Me being a millennial, we are using a lot more of our disposable income towards rent. I think that there's not a lot of interest in buying a home. So that's one thing that we are tailoring and identifying trends in the real estate market to choose our renovation strategies for our properties. And I wanted to thank Dave so much for participating in my little video tour of his property. I've been watching and working with Dave and throughout his real estate investing career, and him and I have grown together over the years. I just want to say thank you and hope you learned and got value from this.